Yes, I walk through the fire, fly through the smoke, see my enemies every day on Downhill Road. You can walk on pins and needles, or see what you can do. I'll walk on building splinters with a cane. Come, giddy, come down, walk on building splinters. Come, giddy, come down, walk on building splinters. Come, giddy, come down, walk on building splinters. Come, giddy, come down, walk on building splinters.
Fabulous audience. Thank you so much. We love you. How about it? Brandon Moon on the bass, Mike Madison on vocals and guitar, percussion. Oh shit. He broke it. I'll get you a new one. It's Gabe Dixon. He's going to be here December 14th, so come on out. Just so you know, that's Mike Madison's birthday. Mike won't be here, but till next time, thanks so much, you guys. Now Stalkin on the drums, Barry Tyler, Green Whale the Fourth.